Okay, welcome to my studio apartment. So yeah, it's a studio, so you can literally see everything. But when you first walk in, I have this doormat that says, "Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house." And I got this off of Etsy. Next, I have this, which is great for blocking out the light and any noise that comes from the hallway. So first things first is this closet. I just keep like outerwear, so hoodies and coats. I have some school stuff here, just random stuff up there, and my luggage, and then there's just like more stuff. This apartment, actually, for it to be so small, it has a lot of storage. So as you can see, I have plenty of space in this closet. I don't even use all the space. Okay, take on, we're gonna go to this little nook over here. So this is just where I have some of my shoes, just immediate shoes that I put on or take off as soon as I get in. And I was supposed to have a mirror here, so just pretend there's like a gold mirror. I literally have it in the closet in a box, but I'm actually moving out next week. So goodbye to this apartment very soon. And that's why I didn't put the mirror up, because like I'm about to move, I'm not gonna pay to put it up, and you know. Okay, next we have my bed. One of my favorite parts, because my bed is so comfortable, it's hard to get up in the morning. I bought my bed from Wayfair, and it's perfect for a studio because it actually has storage underneath in these drawers. So I have 6 drawers total, 3 on each side. And yeah, I just keep like most of my immediate clothes here. Because we're still in a panty, I don't really go out anywhere. So all of the clothes that I wear on the daily are usually chill clothes, and they're usually all underneath this bed. So it's great. The bed did not come with a headboard. I got this separately, and I actually had to put this together myself. So it's not like the best. I'm not Bob the Builder, okay? But the bed was put together professionally. I just decided on the headboard last minute. So yeah, my comforter is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I wanted a white comforter. I wanted an all-white bed just because I really like how hotels have all-white beds, and so I wanted that vibe in my apartment. The 2 decorative pillows, actually the 4, I think all of these, yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are all from Amazon. I'll have them linked. This throw is from Amazon. I highly recommend this blanket. It's super soft. And underneath here, I actually have a weighted blanket because if you've never, honestly, no, because y'all need to sleep in a weighted blanket. It's amazing. And of course, I just have my laptop here for whenever I use my laptop. So that is the bed. That's like the main thing in this apartment. I know it's kind of weird to have it right by the door, and trust me, I'd be scared in here, but I didn't want it by the kitchen, which is like back there. We'll get to that in a second. So I just decided that right here was like the best place for my bed. And of course, since I'm moving, I don't have a lot of stuff up. Like I was gonna put so many posters up here. Not so many, but like some art at least, so the walls weren't so bare. But because I'm moving, y'all just have to wait for the next apartment tour for that. So next area of this apartment is, ooh, I look a mess. Okay, this mirror. This is another one of my favorite things about this apartment. I love a good big full body mirror, and I have just a candle lighting there and this plant. I got this mirror from OfferUp. It was only $80. Steal, I know, it's a huge mirror, and I actually paid them $100 because I wanted them to bring it to me. So yeah, this plant is from Amazon. I have it linked down below. I think it's called the snake plant. It's fake though, don't worry. Then I have this lamp here. I just needed a lamp because this apartment has terrible lighting. Like there's no light up there, just no light. Like I'm just supposed to be in here with no light. So I have a lot of lamps. So yeah, that's my first lamp from Amazon. Let me just give an overview of this little space here. So this is like, I don't know what you want to call this. I'm just gonna call this area like my printing space. So here, this is basically what I do when I walk in. I take my shoes off over there, and then I drop my keys off here. I used to have a hook actually for my keys. Y'all know what happened to that, it just fell off. Anyways, so I put my keys there. This is where I put my mask down, or where I pick one up. I have this Himalayan salt lamp here. This is where I keep all my books. I am in law school, if you didn't know, so the grind continues. Then I have over here this picture frame. Literally, I don't even have a picture to go in it. This is just the picture that came with it, but hopefully in my next apartment, I'll have more time to decorate. These are just some of my favorite books. My house phone, more bins. These bins are just general storage. Like I'll have like, this one I think is just all paper for my printer. So yeah, that's this area. Here I just have a picture of Ruby Bridges that I was supposed to put right here, but like I said, I'm moving next week, so I'm not about to be putting stuff up, just take it down. Another plant here from Amazon. It's fake, but it's cute. And here I just have these two posters, Amsterdam and DC. These are my favorite cities in the whole wide world, so I had to have them in here. I was going to maybe do something artsy and like color them in, just give it a pop of color because black and white is so plain, but I kind of left it that way and I like it. So moving on to my little office area. Oh, I guess we'll go over here. So this is like the back, oh. This is like the back of my desk, but it kind of serves as a nightstand. I can't have one too close because, like I said, there's drawers here that I have to pull out. So yeah, this is just a nightstand kind of and my desk all in one. I have this diffuser here, just tissues. I put essential oil in my diffuser, so that's just like the lavender bottle. And this is just my galaxy lights. I'll insert a clip at the end, or maybe now, of what my apartment looks like at night with all the lights on. It's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. Y'all know I love my galaxy lights. So this is great to have as I go to sleep at night. And then I also have my diffuser that has changing light colors. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then this is supposed to bring in good energy, and I need all the good energy I can get. And here I just have a big old candle. So that is all of this area, and we're gonna move on to this part of the apartment. So this is like where I film all my sit down videos. This is where I go to class every day, and basically everything. This is where most of my life is spent, actually. So here's an overview of this space. Okay, so starting with this rug. This is a Cowhide rug. It's faux, but it actually was pretty expensive, like you would think it was real. But I really like it. I think it really goes with the vibe of the apartment. It matches my throw, so that's cool. Now we'll get into the desk. Here's my desk. I'm eventually gonna do an in-depth desk tour, but for now, this is just a general overview. This is where I go to class every day. This is where I sit down to film my sit down videos. I spend so much time at this desk. I got this desk off of Craigslist for only $10. Yes, it was a steal. But honestly, I really risked my life getting this desk. The guy who sold it to me was super creepy, and I was out in the middle of nowhere. Very long story, but I'm glad I'm alive and I got this desk. I keep my iMac here. This is how I do all my classes. And I do have a ring light here. It helps me with my lighting when I'm on Zoom all day. And also it's interview season, so I need my perfect lighting, okay? So yeah, and then I just have this organizer. It kind of looks a mess, but I'm telling you, like, it's organized to me. So yeah, all my office supplies. Like I said, I'll do an in-depth desk video later in my next apartment, but for now we have all this. These are really great for like resting my wrists, and my wrists for that, AirPods. This desk chair, I got it off of Amazon. Everything's gonna be linked down below. So yeah, we have this desk here. And I just have my whiteboard, just me, you know, I'm in law school, so I have to have everything written down so I don't get behind. Next, I have this, I'm a big Pop Smoke fan, so RIP Pop Smoke. This is super cool. I thought this was really cute. I might get more of these, but I really like this. Everyone knows Welcome to the Party is my song, so yeah, period. Next, so like I said, I'm moving, so I didn't want to put my degree up, but here's my degree, okay? UCLA, graduated cum laude in a pandemic, period. So yeah, let's just do an overview of this space. So here, of course, as you can see, obviously, this is my whiteboard that I use for studying, my yoga mat, what I use for yoga, and here's just a notebook for school stuff. This basket I got from my aunt, and I just keep blankets in here, and I have tapestries at the bottom. Yeah, just for comfort. So all this stuff. So this rug I got from overstock.com. I'll link it down below. I really like this rug, y'all, but I think I'm gonna have to sell it when I move because my next apartment is way bigger than this. It's like, it's a 1-bedroom, so I'm gonna want a bigger carpet to fit my bigger living room. So sadly, I want to try to get the bigger version of this, is basically what I'm trying to say. But yeah, this is from Overstock. This couch is from Craigslist. I cannot remember how much I paid for this, but it was too much. I should have got this way cheaper. Like, this couch should have been like 50 bucks, but I think I paid like 150 or 125. But it's whatever. I mean, it fits perfectly. Like, it's the perfect size. It just worked out because I definitely was not measuring anything in here, but it just worked out. These pillows I got from HomeGoods. I wanted like some color because it like, I don't know, I like a little patch of color because I do like the woods, as you can see, but I also wanted like some color in here to make it more, I don't know, less boring, I guess. So yeah, I love this apartment because of all the windows. I think this natural light, of course this is dark, but just pretend it's light outside, okay? It's been a long day, I'm trying to film this. So when it's light outside, the light that comes in, it's really nice and it really opens up the space. So yeah, up here, this was supposed to be all my Polaroids, but I just never got a chance to put them up. And like I said, I'm moving, so I'm gonna have to take all this stuff down, but just pretend they're all Polaroids. That's baby me. Yay. Okay, so yeah, this is like, I literally spend so many hours here, but here it is. Okay. Oh, this lamp is from Target, and these lights are actually super cool. They're smart lights, so I get to change the color on them through my phone. So I get to control this through my phone, so I can make the lights dimmer or make them orangey, but ew, who likes yellow light? You can make them blue or literally any color. So that is very cool, and it's also really cool to control it from your phone, because one thing I hate is like having to get up to turn a light off. Even though this apartment is so small, I still just get lazy sometimes. So this is a great thing to have. In my next apartment, I want all my light bulbs to be smart light bulbs. But yeah, I think the gold really goes with it. I definitely needed someone to help me put together this lamp because look at this. I'm just terrible at putting stuff together, but and from far away you can't really tell. Okay, so here's another one of my favorite pieces of furniture, and it's this table here. I really like this table because it's perfect for studios. Like, it literally expands out. So I don't know if you can see this line here, but it folds down. I guess I'll just fold it so y'all can see. I don't know if y'all saw that, but yeah, so it folds down, which is perfect, and then you can fold it back up. So yeah, that's perfect for small spaces. It's also on wheels, which is great to move it around. It's a small space, and it has 2 drawers. I just have random stuff in these drawers like medicine, and also these bar stools pull out too. So you have 2 bar stools, and this is basically where I eat. But honestly, sometimes I need back support, so I'll really just pull this chair over here to eat sometimes and bring like my laptop stand and eat right here. And then I just have extra school supplies down here. Of course, you can tell this is like literally a very studious apartment, but I'm in law school, so yeah. I got this from Wayfair, by the way. I hope I'm remembering to say where everything's from. Moving on. This kitchen is pretty standard. I really like that it's open though. You know, fridge, pretty standard, just my future grocery list. I'm a snack person, as you can tell. So I got the snacks here. You know, the Keurig. I'm making coffee after this. Knives, bread, snacks and fruit. I need to buy more apples. George Foreman grill, toaster, sink. Here I just have like, sometimes you have to be your own hero, uncook and unwind. These are from HomeGoods. And my baby mushroom. Cute. There's your standard kitchen. This stove is super small. I can't wait for y'all to see my next apartment because it is very much an upgrade from here. Pretty small and quaint, honestly. And then here's my trash can. I spent, well, this trash can was expensive because I thought it was like, it's supposed to be the one that you just wave your hand and it opens. But I don't know how to work it, y'all. So if anyone has this trash can and knows how to make it work, like, I don't know what to do. I don't know. So yeah. And then right here, oh, I have this sign here that just says organic. And my calendar fell. Literally when this fell, I was so scared. I thought someone had broken in here. I don't know how. But it used to be up here, so just pretend that this calendar was here. But it fell, and I'm not about to put it up because, like I said, I'm moving out next week. Like here, I just have my grocery cart and, of course, like brooms and things. So here's a quick overview of basically the whole apartment. But let's go to the bathroom and more stuff. So basically, this is this door. Okay, and this is how you get to the bathroom, but it's also a closet in here. So I know, very interesting. But anyways, here's this closet. I just have laundry. Yes, I need to do laundry, I already know. This random pillow. This pillow actually came with the couch and I just kept it here. My closet is kind of a mess, but here it is. I tried to organize it as much as I could, but I'm about to move, like I said, so I'm not doing the most in here. Yeah, I just have these, and I'm more of a drawer person, but I do have some things on hangers. Some shoes, just random clothes, bags, more masks, my Bop It. Yes, I play Bop It. These bins all have like different things in them. And then I have this suit hung out here because I do have an interview tomorrow, so wish me luck. And this is this mirror that I was telling you about, the gold circular mirror. You'll see it in my next apartment tour. More drawers for storage. Isn't this laundry thing so cute? Okay, so yeah, this is the cutest laundry thing ever. Like, I think this was from Marshall's. And oh, these bins are from Amazon. I'll link them. They're pretty cool. I feel like they're pretty easy to like get along with, like to match with things. And then here's another closet. I don't really use the clothes in here much because these are my hot girl clothes. Like, where am I going with this dress? We're gonna go into the bathroom. The bathroom is super small, but it's just me in here, so it's fine. Here's the bathroom. We have this little trash can, little this, little that. The sink is literally tiny. And this, and the mirror, and then me looking a mess. But anyways, here's this bathroom. I got this and this from Target. The Magnolia collection. I highly recommend it. That's like, it was so hard for me to find a decent shower curtain. This one isn't even that cute to me, but it is doing the job. So here's a shower. Basically these, I don't know how people ever get toilet paper out of this. Like, I needed a separate thing because the toilet roll is too big to fit in there. And I wanted to have a cute picture in here, but like I said, this is like kind of an unfinished apartment tour, sadly, but also not sadly because I'm getting the heck out of this small hole. So yeah, just a towel there, and then I'll show you all this shower. It's not that interesting. It's just a shower. Oh yeah, here I just have, you know, robes. I do have kind of a lot of robes. Anyways, that is basically it. So thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this first or my empty new apartment, but thank you all so much for watching. You don't gotta go home, but you gotta get the hell out of here.